Squishy Martin design. Woof woof. Today I have a special guest with us.
Hi, it's me, and I'm her friend.
Yeah, so today we're making a Tabba Squishy.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's not usual, but it's kind of like tea and art. We do our art a lot using that. But design, we have not done design.
Exactly, so we're gonna make a Tabba Squishy. I'm so excited. This is the supplies we're gonna use.
Yeah. So let's get started. Woo! Yeah. Wow, that was fast.
So here's the supplies, and we're gonna start off easy. Like it's gonna be harder and harder, right?
Harder and harder. It's gonna be easy.
Okay.
Easier.
But I've never done this before, so that's why I said it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do the first and show her, and then she's gonna do her step thing.
Yeah. So let's start. I'm so excited.
Now I'm taking the A and B mixture, and now
We're taking the mixing cup and a mixing stick.
yeah. So to make the Tabba Squishy, that's the first step. We need to pour in 3 millimeters of A mixture and 2 of B mixture. Then we mix.
Mix.
Yeah, and then after mixing, we can put some color.
Yay. Then is it color? Yay! We're so excited. So now we're pouring it in the cup. Yay!
Yeah. Now I'm pouring in the A mixture, making sure it's right. Yeah. Now we're taking this, which is showing it to you.
And soon we're gonna take the B mixture, and this is the ones we're gonna got. Like this is cheese and this is the paw. I'm gonna choose the paw. So now we're pouring it in the bottle because we used too much. Okay, so we're gonna use the B mixture now.
So now we're using the B, and I'm just opening the B with my teeth because it's very hard to open it. And yeah, so we're just waiting to open it, and here we have the B and pouring it into the cup. So it's exactly 5 millimeters, and we are also pouring it in because we took too much. And now we're doing the same with the other. I'm closing the bottle,
And I'm playing with the squishy.
the squishy that I bought, not that we made yet. So stretchy. So now I'm taking out the colors, and she's gonna choose.
So I'm gonna choose the pink.
Yeah, and we're mixing it, and then we're gonna pour in the pink.
So let's open the pink and pour it into the cup, into the mixture, into the cup with the mixture. She laughed because she saw something out the window, a dog pooping. At the same time, it walked, but that's why we were laughing. She laughs of everything. She laughed so much.
I don't do that.
That was pooping. Oh.
So now we're putting in the color, and she chose pink, So,
It's like one of my favorite colors. That's why I chose it.
and I just chose clear, but I wanted yellow first, and then she opened it, but then I didn't want it, so yeah. It's gonna be clear, even if you see her opening the yellow.
Yeah, so that's why. So now we're just pouring it and like mixing it, the color. And now I'm making my friends, and he wanted a clear one, like we said. So now we're gonna make my friends squishy. This is how it looks like. And now he's helping me to close the bottle. So now my friend is mixing it, and I'm just making hers and she's making mine. So now we're just waiting till we're done to mix the mixture and the color.
So now we're doing the same thing to the other mixing cup, because the pink one, that's for my friend. Yeah, and I'm doing this one, and as we said, we're kind of like had mixed feeling about which color we should use, so we wanted to use yellow, but then I didn't. So even if you're opening the yellow, even if we're opening the yellow, we're not gonna use it. And she got dirty for no reason.
So now we're just trying to clean it up a little. Let's yeah. So now I'm mixing my friends, and he's mixing mine. Yay! So now we were just mixing, mix. But now my friend is done with hers, and I'm still mixing. But she's done, so she's pouring it into the paw, the form of the paw. And I'm almost done. I'm almost done soon. Mix. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the clear mixture into the paw, and it also has to be exact, like this. Be careful. Okay, like that. And now we're almost done. Just wait. Eating pizza. Like this pizza is so good. I love this pizza. It's so yummy. Yummy tummy. Nom nom. Yummy. It's so good. I love this pizza. Yeah. Do you love it?
I don't know if you have tried it, but it's good. It's tasty.
Yeah. Like Steve's lava chicken, right?
Yeah.
Crispy and juicy now and having a snack. Ooh, super spicy. It's a lava attack. It's not spicy though.
Yeah.
But it's crispy and juicy, definitely. Not really juicy, but it's crispy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nom. Crispy and juicy, now we're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
So now we waited for the squishies to dry, and now we're gonna try to take them out. So we're
so excited.
Yeah, so the first one is my squishy, and I'm like popping the mold out, and
I'm gonna copy her and also trying to like pop the squishies out of the mold out of the forms.
yeah. So we also made some cheese because we had some leftovers,
Yeah.
and now we are eating chips.
Yeah, because we both love chips, right?
Yeah.
Doritos.
Yeah. Nacho pizza. So this part we don't need to talk because it's just taking out the squishy.
Yeah. So I'm so excited. So it's a little hard.
Yeah.
This is how your turned out. Now I'm gonna try to like pop mine out. It's so squishy, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's hard.
Now she's helping me.
Yeah.
It's a little hard. Pretty hard. Pretty much.
Doritos.
So now we're just learning like the cheese beater. Yeah. We're letting it beater while we're taking the squishy out of it. Out of the
Mold.
mold. Do. It's so hard. We spent so much time on it. Oh my god, but we're almost done, right? I hope so.
Yeah, but you know, that squishy actually did not turn out that good.
No, if you
But-
want a little spoil, it's not that good.
But I gave her that squishy because
Yeah, you're very nice.
yeah,
Konnichiwa.
because I already,
Arigato.
because I
Arigato. Thank you. Arigato. Thank you. Like, wow, so much thank yous.
that means thank you in
Japanese.
but we're not from Japan.
No, we're just learning Japanese because we want to move to Japan.
Yep.
Because Japan is a pretty country, right?
Yes.
But now we had taken out one of the cheese. Cheesy. Ooh, super cheesy. Now we're having a snack. So this was, I showed you guys how the pink part turned out, and this is how the cheese turned out. Not that good. Oh my god, did it just break? Oh no, it didn't break. I hope not.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye. See you in next video, but I'm not gonna be there. Bye.